Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Together. Today we are going to learn how to build organizational chart in Excel. Copy the predefined designation list. Go to the next sheet. Under the Insert tab, select SmartArt. Here one window will open and it will suggest some hierarchy designs. Click on hierarchy and select the desired chart for your organization and click on OK. Right click on the chart and click on Show Text Pane. Now paste the predefined designation list here by pressing Ctrl V or right click. Now this is the chart. Executive Secretary, Marketing VP, Production VP and Sales VP directly report to CEO. So click on them and press tab once. Now under Marketing VP, PRO and Product Service directly report to Marketing VP. So go to Marketing VP, enter. Now new space came. Here type PRO or cut PRO and paste here. Here we click one tab so that PRO will come under Marketing VP. Now next, Product Services. Same way. First click enter. Now Product Services cut and paste under Marketing VP. The same way do for Production VP. Click enter, tab, then copy manager or cut manager 1 and paste under Production VP. Enter manager 2, cut and paste. Now under sales, first clear unwanted space. Now under sales, press 2 times tab so that manager 3 and 4 will come under sales VP. And executive secretary directly reporting to CEO and no one is reporting to executive secretary. So I am taking side. Now remove the unwanted text boxes. Close the text pane. Now this is your chart. Now right click on chart. You will get the options layout and select the desired layout as per your requirement and change the colors also. Here different color combinations are there. According to your requirement you can select the colors. Next, style. There are different styles and it will show you according to your document the best matches it will show you, and some of the 3D charts also it will suggest. So as per your requirement select anyone. Now I am selecting this. Here you under CEO, now you can enter the name of the CEO also. Like that for executive secretary, for all the designations you can enter the name also. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.